Hello guys, in the previous video of class 10th science chapter 1st, we did the basic introduction of the chemical reactions. Now our next topic is the types of the chemical reactions. Now what we are going to study in this, so what are basically there are five types of the chemical reactions here. So major one. So first of all, understand what's going on in the chemical reaction. So in a chemical reaction, atoms of one elements do not change into atoms of another elements. कि जो एक एटम की गल कर रहे हैं किसी एलीमेंट की, वो किसी दूसरे से चेंज नहीं होंदा, वो सेम रहता, बट की होंदा सिर्फ एलीमेंट के ना दूसरे का कंपाउंड फॉर्मेशन डिफरेंट हो जाती है. जिद्दां कि आप गल कर रहे हैं कि हाइड्रोजन प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिव्स वाटर, हाइड्रोजन प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिव्स water. Hydrogen and oxygen are still there, but there is a formation of the new substance, that is a water. So we can see explanation of this line कि in a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change into atoms of the another elements. So now what's going on in the chemical reaction? So chemical reaction involves breaking and making of the bond between the atom. For example, we are taking the example of hydrogen, H2. There is a hydrogen bond is breaked, and there is a formation of hydrogen and oxygen bond in the water molecules. So chemical reaction involves making and breaking of the bonds. So that's all about this thing. What it involves the making and breaking of the bonds. Now moving further, our first type of the chemical reaction is our combination reaction. So now what's combination reaction is? So the reaction, as the name specifies, that combination means combine. So when the two reactants or more than two are combined and form a single product, that reaction is called combination reaction. So combination of two or more reactants to form a product, that reaction is called combination reaction. For example, in our NCERT, they have taken the example of the calcium oxide. So formula of the calcium oxide is Ca, calcium symbol, and O is for oxygen. Calcium oxide is also called the quicklime. So we have to remember this name also. Another name of calcium oxide is quicklime. So when we add a water in the quicklime, it forms a slaked lime, that is a calcium hydroxide. This reaction is generally you can observe in our surrounding कि जिद्दां जे आपां कली नूं ऐड करते हैं ना वाटर दे विच, we are hearing some kind of the sound, or our beaker or the utensil in which we are adding the, it also become hot. So same thing is explained here. When we take a quicklime and with water, then there is a formation of the calcium hydroxide. CaOH twice is calcium hydroxide, also called slaked lime. There is a release of the heat. Here is a release of the heat one. So जिद्दां ही रिएक्शन आप होंदी है तो बीकर अपना हॉट हो जाता है. So why, as we studied yesterday also, the reaction which release heat along with the product is called an exothermic reaction. So this is also an example of the exothermic reaction. Moving further, so next thing is when we add calcium oxide in water, there is a formation of the slaked lime. The slaked lime is used for the whitewashing. जो आप घर ਦੇ ना वाइट कलर की कली करते हैं, पेंट करते हैं, वो इस करके यूज करते हैं कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की. तो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड रिएक्ट, तो एक चीज़ आप नॉर्मली ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि जिद्दां ही आप वाइट वॉश कर दिता घर नूं, तो 2-3 डेज बाद जो अपनी लेयर होंदी है वो थिक होनी स्टार्ट होंदी है. अदरवाइज तो आपां नूं ट्रांसपेरेंसी नीचे वाली बॉल अपीयर होंदी रहंदी है. बट जिद्दां ही थोड़ा टाइम पास होंदा है, दैन वी कैन सी दैट कि उहदी लेयर की ट्रांसपेरेंसी डिक्रीज हो जाती है. सो दैट रिएक्शन हैपन्स देयर कि when the calcium hydroxide react with the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it forms the calcium carbonate plus water. So there is a formation of the calcium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate, so which gives a shiny finish to the wall. As we also know here that the marble, that is a calcium carbonate, same formula of the marble is calcium carbonate. Also chalk is also have the same formula, that is a calcium carbonate one. Next, another examples of the combination reactions are here, that is a burning of the coal. Coal is a basically element, carbon is there now. So when carbon react with oxygen, it forms the carbon dioxide gas. So there is a combination reaction here कि when two reactants combine, there is a formation of the third one, product is formed, new product is formed. So that's why this reaction is called combination reaction. Formation of water and water from the hydrogen and oxygen. वाटर दी फॉर्मेशन लिती बट किसनो हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन तो. So the definition has written we have the reaction in which heat is released along with the formation of the product are called exothermic chemical reaction. This reaction is product ਦੇ ਬਣਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ heat ਵੀ release ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, that reaction is called exo. As we name exo, as there are an exit door are there, so exit means a door to go outside. Similarly, exothermic reaction means there is a release, there is something released out from the reaction, that is heat here. So moving further, another examples of the exothermic reactions are, so now other examples, burning of the natural gas. As our gobar gas plant, the main composition we are adding, there is a release of the methane gas after putting the gobar into the gobar gas plant. So now methane is the main component. When it reacts with oxygen, it also act as a fuel to cook up food also. So now there is a formation of the carbon dioxide gas and the water. Both are in the G written here means G stands for gaseous here. It's a state of the matter. So now next is the respiration. As we intake of the, as we are taking the food inside now, so it react with oxygen. Respiration is that process now when we take the food inside and it get react with oxygen and get converted into simple substance and give us energy also. So now when the glucose, food containing glucose, when it react with the oxygen, form carbon dioxide, water and energy. So there is a release of energy. So this is also example of the exothermic. Third one is decomposition of the vegetable matter into the compost. Now what's here? ਡੀਕੰਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਕਿ ਗਲਣਾ ਸੜਨਾ, ਕਿ ਜੋ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਵੈਜੀਟੇਬਲ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੇਕਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਨਾ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋਣੀ ਸਟਾਰਟ, ਜੇਕਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਡੰਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੰਪੋਸਟ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਹੀਟ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ. ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਸੋ ਐਨ ਐਗਜ਼ੋਥਰਮਿਕ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ. And the fourth one is the burning of magnesium to form a magnesium oxide. Yesterday we studied about the magnesium ribbon burning. Look at the picture here. So it burns with the white dazzling flame. Light is produced as well as heat is also produced there. So this is also an example of the exothermic reaction. So in this video we have studied about the exothermic reaction as well as about the combination reactions. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Kindly share it with your friends and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.